Huawei Technology's new Mate 60 Pro, the Chinese handset giant's first satellite phone, is out of stock just 2 days after launch. The flagship store in Shanghai had no more Mate 60 Pro phones, and 3 other stores in the eastern city had the same reply to Yikai's inquiries. Even the Shenzhen-based firm's online store could not immediately ship the product. All stores in Shanghai have no Mate 60 Pro in stock. Mate 60 Pro will be on sale via offline channels in Shanghai from September 10, an employee of an experience center said to Yikai. Consumers have been lining up to make a reservation all day today, and each person needs to wait for 10 to 20 minutes for his or her turn, a staffer told Yikai. Mate 60 Pro is Huawei's first handset that supports satellite calls, so connectivity is ensured even in remote places. But many consumers said that they do not think this feature is highly necessary. Instead, potential buyers are more interested in the phone's chip developed in-house. I just want to have a look at how well the new smartphone model performs with the new chip, but people online are worried about the risk of overheating. Besides the ban on buying parts made in the United States, Huawei is enduring a sector-wide downturn. Moreover, its strongest rival in China, Apple, is slated to release new flagship products next month. The iPhone 15 series is rumored to include major upgrades regarding battery life, processor speed, and charging. Last year, Huawei was China's 6th biggest smartphone vendor in China, occupying 8.8% of the market, according to IDC data. But in the second quarter of this year, it rose to rank 5th in a tie with Xiaomi, with a market share of 13%. Also, tipster Fixed Focus has revealed that the Huawei Mate 60 series will attend full-fledged launch on September 10. What's more interesting is that the offline stores are running out of stock. This reflects the popularity of this new smartphone series. Kindly check out the unboxing video and top 5 features video of Mate 60 Pro. Link is in description box and also in the pinned comments. Are you excited for the Mate 60 Pro? What do you think about the Mate 60 Pro? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next one. Peace out.